Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be placing the air filter on my 2010 Ford Focus. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pop the hood. The latch is on the bottom side here, right here. And prop the hood up, and here's the air box right here. So there's a clip right here, there's a clip right here, and there's a clip right here. And you just lift up kind of right here and pull it, because there's little notches there that go into it. And I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this. A red clip underneath, you have to pull it out. Now we can lift up on this. And so this is a K&N filter. It's been 5 years since I've even looked at it. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this out, because you're supposed to be able to clean it out. Of course, you're supposed to do it yearly, but we'll see how it looks once I clean it after 5 years. So I'll make another video on that, and you can check that out. So now that I have cleaned and oiled this K&N filter, I'm ready to reinstall it. It's been about 5 years, at least 80,000 miles since I put this in, and I hadn't touched it. So it does clean. You can't clean your K&N filter. So just place this back in here with this flat side up and that side down. And you're going to take this cover here and get these pieces right here, find the hole that they go in, push them in. Now I can plug this back in. So once we get this all lined up and is pushed in here fully, we can go ahead and push these clips back over. There's one. There's the next one. Two. The last one is right here. Alright. So that's how you change your air filter on a 2010 Ford Focus.